Welcome to today's video where we will uncover the silent signs of fatty liver disease that you should never ignore. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, responsible for detoxification, metabolism, and energy production. But when fat begins to accumulate inside the liver, it can lead to serious complications over time. The troubling fact is that fatty liver disease often develops silently, without obvious symptoms in the early stages. That's why recognizing the warning signs is crucial for protecting your long-term health. In this video, we will discuss 6 silent warning signs that could indicate fatty liver disease. We will also explain why these symptoms occur and what steps you can take if you notice them. So stay with us till the end, because your health may depend on this knowledge. Let's begin with the first warning sign. Sign number 1, constant fatigue and low energy levels. If you find yourself feeling drained, even after a good night's sleep, your liver could be signaling distress. The liver plays a central role in breaking down nutrients and providing energy to the body. When fat builds up inside the liver, its efficiency decreases, leading to energy imbalance and tiredness. Many people ignore fatigue, assuming it is stress or aging, but it could actually be a sign of liver dysfunction. That is why persistent tiredness should never be overlooked. Moving to the second warning sign. Sign number 2, abdominal discomfort or a feeling of fullness in the right upper side of the belly. This happens because fat accumulation causes the liver to enlarge, creating a sensation of pressure. You might feel bloating, mild pain, or discomfort after meals. Unlike sharp pain, this is often dull and persistent, making it easy to ignore. However, ongoing abdominal discomfort is a red flag worth checking with a doctor. Let's move to the third sign. Sign number 3, unexplained weight changes. Some individuals with fatty liver experience unexpected weight gain, especially around the abdomen. This happens because fat metabolism is impaired, leading to storage instead of efficient burning. On the other hand, some people may experience sudden weight loss without trying. This can be due to the liver struggling to process nutrients and proteins effectively. Both unexplained weight gain and weight loss are signs that your liver health should be evaluated. Now let's discuss the fourth warning sign. Sign number 4, changes in skin and eye color. If you notice your skin or the whites of your eyes turning yellowish, this could indicate jaundice. Jaundice occurs when the liver cannot process bilirubin effectively, leading to its buildup in the blood. While jaundice is often associated with advanced liver conditions, it can also appear in fatty liver disease as it progresses. Additionally, some people notice dark patches of skin, particularly around the neck or underarms. These changes are signals that your liver may be under stress. Now moving on to the 5th warning sign. Sign number 5. Digestive issues such as nausea, indigestion, and loss of appetite. Your liver is closely linked with digestion and nutrient absorption. When fat infiltrates the liver, digestion becomes inefficient, leading to nausea or reduced appetite. Some people may experience bloating, constipation, or diarrhea without any clear cause. If these digestive issues are persistent, they could be linked to fatty liver disease. And now, the 6th and final warning sign. Sign number 6, trouble concentrating and brain fog. The liver removes toxins from your bloodstream. When it is overloaded with fat, toxins may accumulate in the body. This can affect brain function, leading to poor memory, difficulty focusing, and mental fatigue. Many people dismiss brain fog as stress, but it can be an indicator of impaired liver function. These 6 warning signs may seem harmless individually, but together, they paint a clear picture of liver health. Fatty liver disease is often called a silent condition because it progresses without obvious symptoms. By the time severe complications occur, such as liver fibrosis or cirrhosis, it may be too late to reverse the damage. That's why it is important to recognize these signals early and seek medical advice if you notice them. Now, let's take a moment to talk about lifestyle changes that can support liver health. A healthy diet, rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins can protect your liver. Cutting down on processed foods, sugary drinks, and alcohol is crucial in preventing further fat buildup. Regular exercise improves metabolism and helps reduce fat storage in the liver. Maintaining a healthy weight is one of the most effective ways to combat fatty liver disease. Hydration and quality sleep also play a key role in supporting liver recovery. Remember, your liver has the ability to heal itself if given the right care and attention. But ignoring the signs can lead to irreversible damage. If you notice persistent symptoms such as fatigue, abdominal discomfort, skin changes, digestive issues, or brain fog, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. Early detection can make all the difference. If you're really committed to improving your health, make sure to check the description below. I've shared some of the best tools and resources that I personally recommend for staying on track, building strength, and making progress faster. Taking care of your liver health and overall wellness should always go hand in hand. By staying informed and making smarter lifestyle choices, you can protect yourself from fatty liver disease and its complications. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the 6 silent warning signs. Number 1, persistent fatigue. Number 2, abdominal discomfort or fullness. Number 3, unexplained weight changes. Number 4, skin and eye color changes. Number 5, digestive issues. Number 6, brain fog and concentration problems. These symptoms are your body's way of sending you an urgent message. Do not ignore them. The earlier you take action, the greater your chances of reversing fatty liver disease naturally. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on important health topics. Your support helps us continue to share valuable health information with you. Stay healthy, stay aware, and always listen to the signals your body is giving you. Until next time, take care of yourself and your loved ones.